Go.
Hi, Blake.
Wait, ikaw.
Hi, Blake. I love you, Blake. Really there?
Yeah.
Over there, Nanay. Over there.
Ako'y ba?
Yes.
Si Medusa, puro eh. Pag ang friend niya nga mga snakes.
Scary giant snake.
Ang bikulo ka mas scared sa snake.
I'm not scared.
Aw,
Where's the giant snake?
There nga panago.
Why?
Okay, may mga people with, may mga fire sila nga dala.
Can you hear him?
Maybe.
Yeah. Maybe kill yourself?
Basi.
Yes. Pussy. Ah, I only want your hair.
Masakit.
I'll play them.
Oh, man, i-play mo.
I'll
Green man na gani, oh.
Huh?
Green man na.
It's a snake.
Gani, green man na nga snake. Hindi man na black.
Yes. I want to play your hair.
Yeah, man, you want to play with my hair.
Yes. It's brown, black, and you're nanay. You're not like have no snake in your hair.
Oh, ay, hindi man ako si Medusa, yeah.
Yes, I'm not. Love.
You want Medusa ka nanay, ha?
No,
Oh,
I'm
sus.
scared.
Oh, sus. Hindi man scared ka kay Medusa.
Scared to stone us.
I-turn niya ka sa stone.
Yes.
Hindi ka magtulok sa eyes niya, eh.
Okay.
Okay.
It's a TV. It's a TV.
Tell me ano nang ginalanta mo? Tell me what you're watching.
Nothing.
Nothing? Explain it to me.
I can't explain.
Nga man.
To sleep. A dungeon.
Sa dungeon siya. Dungeon do gali. Hindi ko cave. Dungeon gali. And then,
To sleep there.
and then,
Escape. Escape.
nag-escape siya.
Yes.
Nga man.
A dungeons.
Nag-escape siya sa dungeon.
Yes. There's a dungeon. To stay a little hole. Make a big hole.
Okay.
Break it.
Gin-break niya ang hole.
Yes.
And then,
Go out.
nag-go out siya.
Yes.
After niya ka-go out, ano nakita niya?
See a world.
Nakita niya ang world.
Yes.
So, ano si Medusa?
Not see people.
Wala siya kakita people.
Yes.
Naman.
That's only secret.
Anong secret?
There's only one guy.
One guy lang?
Yes.
So, di indapit.
Open down there.
Anong name sang guy?
No, nothing.
Hindi mo kilala.
Yes.
The guy is brave.
Yes.
Like Anjo.
Yes. Percy.
Si Perseus. Si
Yes.
Percy or si Perseus? Si Perseus. Siya ang
Yes. Fight to sell.
siya ang nag-fight kay Medusa.
Yes.
And then, sino nag-curse kay Medusa?
Mama.
Galema or... No. Excuse me.
Excuse me.
You're excused. Sino nag-curse kay Medusa gani? Di ba it's
I can't know.
Athena, right?
Nina?
Yeah, you know it.
Why?
Athena.
Why?
That's
Tina?
Poseidon.
Why? Tina? Gustosa.
Because naakig si Athena kay
Huh?
pregnant man si Medusa. Basta it's a long story. Because of Poseidon. Right?
Why do they have green snake?
Because amo na yung course ay ni Athena.
Up to us, baby. A snake come her.
Oh,
Take her.
Really?
Yes, take care her.
Tell the video that Medusa It's scary. Sige na. Tell the video. Tubang sa video.
Oh no!
Say bye-bye to vlog na. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Wave, ikaw.
Bye bye. It's done already.
Bye vlog.
Bye bye vlog.
Flying kiss pa. Flying kiss din eh. Flying kiss na pa nung sa vlog oh.
Bye bye vlog.
Flying kiss pa.
Mm.